Hi, I'm Deanne Goss. This is my story. So I've been around this hormone stuff for a while. A few years ago, I was talking to hormone guru Jackie Harvey, and she asked me, hey, how are you doing after having your fourth child? Now, honestly, I felt great. I wasn't showing any symptoms of estrogen dominance, like weight gain, low energy, mood swings. I wasn't having hot flashes. We have 4 kids, and we don't just have 4 kids because we like children. Hair loss, mood swings. So I wasn't really showing any of these outward signs of estrogen dominance in my life. So I told Jackie, I am feeling awesome. And she kind of chuckled and said, you know, why don't you take a saliva test so that we can really see where your levels are? And I told her I'd just come from my doctor. The doctor said that my blood work looked great, and she was amazed at how well I was doing with my health after having 4 children. Jackie said that the best way to test your hormones is with a saliva test, way more accurate than blood. So I did it. I took the test. I got my results back, and oh my gosh. I failed the test. All my hormones way out of whack. Everything was out of balance. Estrogen was too high. My progesterone was too low. Everything off the charts, out of balance. I was shocked. How could I have failed this test? But the test results didn't lie. The saliva test didn't lie. I was definitely estrogen dominant. But I didn't want to stay that way. Now, once I became aware that I was estrogen dominant and that my hormones were out of balance, and even though I wasn't showing any outward symptoms, I knew that if I didn't make a change, it would set me up for problems down the road. And I knew that I had to do this for my kids, for my family, for my health. So I did exactly what Jackie said. I got educated and I started the program. You know, to be totally transparent, I didn't feel any different, but I did it anyway. Because over the years, there have been thousands of women who have taken this test and this program and proven that it works. So after 6 months, I retook my saliva test, and this time I passed with flying colors, just like Jackie said. Across the board, my hormones were in balance. My progesterone was up, my estrogen was down, my testosterone was in range, and everything was working and in balance, just like it's designed to do. Since then, I've been able to maintain my hormones by following a simple maintenance program. I was so excited about my test results that I've wanted to share it with everyone. Maybe you're just like me. No signs, no outward symptoms, but in this case, what you don't know might hurt you. Or maybe you are experiencing symptoms. Low energy, mood swings, foggy thinking, sugar cravings, sudden weight gain, hair loss, low libido, difficulty sleeping, difficulty getting pregnant and staying pregnant, hot flashes. The good news is we can help. For over 10 years, Max Alive has helped thousands of women, just like you and just like me, balance their hormones naturally. I've had the honor of speaking to many women about the horror stories of estrogen dominance in their lives. And it's so awesome to be able to help. And that's what I love about this program. It's simple, proven, and I guarantee it. Not only is it done naturally, it's ridiculously simple. So if you need help in this area, check us out. Go to maxalive.com. You can find the link below this video. We provide all the information you need to master your hormone health, as well as the 9 essential nutrients needed for beating estrogen dominance and the saliva test to prove it. You know, we women really need to stick together. So if you can think of anyone who needs this information, share this video. The more women we can reach, the more we can get our message out, the more women we can help. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure and hit like. And subscribe to our channel for new videos each and every week. When you do, be sure to hit the little bell so you're notified. That's all for now. See you soon.